Shaquille Higgins live on Main Street, man. Pussy wall. Come to me now. You're real waste, man. Yo, batty.
You did that drink today? No, man, go better than that, man. Go see him like when you go into your call him man, batty man and so.
I'm really sorry for the indecent language. I'm sorry for whatever I said in the video. All those bad things, I'm sorry about it.
Yes. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Negus Speaks. You see me? You don't know one nation as Imara nation. You see me? Bless up everybody who support the thing. I respect that to the fullest. Make sure you say on a like, comment, share, subscribe with the notification bell so they can get the videos them drop. You see me? All of the people that might say, Negus, you need to start go live, bro. I start go live, you understand? Definitely, because like when people talk, if it makes sense, I listen. You see me? But that video that I wanna just watch a while ago. Well, this video is gonna be of a more serious nature because I realize that the Jamaican people tired. The Jamaican people tired and the Jamaican people them fed up. That video you just see a while ago is a video of a gentleman exercising his freedom of speech. I don't know if he's playing around or whatever, but we seen people express them freedom of speech over the internet. And in no time, they are found by the police and arrested. Don't know if they are charged or, they're just, recorded, while apologizing and then sent home. But to be taken out of your home for saying something, not even making a threat, it shows that you really have no freedom at all. And people are going to be disgruntled, especially in these times when tensions are high and people are fed up because they cannot go anywhere. They have to be home at a certain time. And if you don't, sanctions for your actions. The Jamaican people are tired. They are tired. I remade that same video in a comedic style. Because honestly, I'm not even going to lie to you. When I originally watched the video, I found it funny. 1 minute, you were dissing the Prime Minister. Second, you're now being arrested and taken into custody. You're taken to the station and you are recorded and you have to apologize. The Jamaican people are tired and you can't even express your you can't even exercise, I should say, your freedom of speech, or you will be arrested. Now, making a threat to the Prime Minister is definitely a no-no, and they have all right to arrest you now. They have all right if you made a threat to the Prime Minister. But if you, as a disgruntled Jamaican, speak with disapproval of what the Prime Minister is doing, then you have a high chance of being arrested. You have a high chance of being silenced. And at this point in time, when the Jamaican people feel like they have no freedom, and for you to show them that they really don't have any freedom by finding them over the internet. Now, this video, he gave out his address for sure, but I've seen another video where this guy, that was the first one we've seen, when him say, Andrew Holness, you suck. You know what I mean? You suck. Ray. And in no time, they found him and arrested him and recorded him apologizing. Freedom of speech? Where? The people are disgruntled right now at this given point in time. So they are going to say things that are unreasonable. They're going to say things that are hurtful. They're going to say things that are disrespectful because the Jamaican people are tired. The people who are suffering, majority of the country is poor. And the people who are affected by this lockdown the most are the poor. People who sell in the markets are suffering. The barbers are suffering. Higglers are suffering. Little bag juice boys they're suffering. Peanut man suffering. The ice cream man suffering. The little people them of this society that contribute great amounts are suffering. So of course they're going to be disrespectful. Of course they're going to say things that are rude. Because they are tired. But the minute they get on the internet and start to record themselves, showing their disapproval, voicing their disapproval, within minutes, within hours, they are found and arrested. And then you guys record them and then put it out on the internet. The Jamaican people are tired. You know what I found? You know what I find funny? Excluding this last arrest that was made with this guy, excluding that one because he gave out his address. It is so funny that you guys find these people so easy to arrest them and record them apologizing to the Prime Minister. But it's the hardest thing to find the real criminals that are affecting our country that we so love. It is the hardest thing to find the kidnapper of a female or a young man. It is the hardest thing to find a murderer that you know is hiding in a community somewhere tucked away. It is the hardest thing to find the wrongdoers within the Jamaican society. But the least thing somebody record on a phone, that is a no-no, huh? You are quick to arrest them. Take them away. Now, apologize. We are filming you. Apologize. But the murderers cannot be found. The kidnappers cannot be found. That's a little bit strange to me. Do you know how many children are still missing right now? Do you know how many people are missing right now? One of the most famous case, and every time I see her father in the news, my heart bleeds for Jasmine Dean. She is yet to be found, and her father still have hopes and still believe that his daughter is still alive. When I see that man come on the news, my heart bleed. But you guys go the extra mile to find a teenager or somebody in them 20s or 30s expressing themselves, expressing freedom of speech. And you find them and arrest them and record them apologizing because someone's feelings is hurt. This seems like a dictatorship. This seems like I shouldn't even be going so deep because I might get in trouble for the things that I'm saying. But my friends and family are affected and they are tired. Now I said I remade that video with a comedic twist. A lot of people were laughing, as usual, but some of them weren't. Some of them weren't laughing in the comment section. A lot of them were angry. I wouldn't say a lot. I'm being dramatic. Some of them were angry. Some of them are saying our rights are being stripped away. Suddenly, all the comments with joy and laughter disappeared. They disappeared. And all I saw in the comment section was the people who are worried about their rights being stripped away. imagine you cannot say something? No, we're not talking about a threat. We're not talking about a direct threat on someone's well-being or their lives. We're talking about disapproval. Have you guys ever heard about sticks and stones? Or that only apply to regular people? People in power can, flex their muscle and do something about it. You guys can find somebody on the road, selfie, by looking at their environment and going to their house in the middle of the night to tell them to get dressed. And you take them to the station for them to apologize. What is that? What does that mean? What are you doing? Are you subtly programming the people to be scared? Are you subtly programming the people to be docile? Are you subtly programming the people to be okay with the fact that as each day passes, they now have little to no rights? Is that what we're doing right now? Do you know how many kids are still missing? But you can find somebody on Instagram saying something negative about the Prime Minister. But you cannot find the murderers and the kidnappers. You cannot find them. Poor Jasmine Dean. Poor Jasmine Dean's family. Still cannot be found after so long. No. I'm on the website, missingpersonsjamaica.com. Whosoever created this website, salute to you. This right here keeps us informed about all the missing men, young men and women, children, might I add, missing. Okay? We're just going to call a few names. Okay. So we have Ronika Frank. Missing since May the 11th. Nicole McCooks. Missing since May the 3rd. Brittany Williams. Missing since, what is that? July the 8th of 2020. That's last year. That's a year and some days now. Tiana Melbourne, missing since March the 16th. Michael Christie, missing since May 26th. Sabrina Powell, Tiana Morgan, Giovanni Porteous, Nathan Ellis, Alisa Gallimore, Shania Evans, Julian Barnett, Roshane Roberts, Nikayla Campbell, Jalea Bethune. And we have over 10 more pages we can scroll through. And we cannot find what happened to any one of those children. But we can find someone on the internet expressing their freedom of speech. Someone who has not made a threat, but just expressing how they feel about the whole situation and about the Prime Minister and the measures he's taking. Are we really, are the Jamaicans really free? Are they really free? Because slavery has ended. But it seems like a new type has been, a new type of slavery has been started. And it's by the people that look just like us. Mr. Prime Minister, I am pleading to you, sir. Listen to the Jamaican people, sir. Listen to the Jamaican people. Listen to the same people that voted you in. Listen to them, sir. They are hurting. They are hurting, sir. A lot of them are suffering. Can't even provide. What's going to happen September morning when they cannot even purchase uniforms? They cannot even purchase textbook. And let's say it's homeschooling, same way, over the computer. Let's say they have to go to school at home and they cannot even afford the internet bill. Do you know the effects of that? That's going to be more kids in the street doing the wrong thing to eat. Now I understand the situation that we are in. But the place was opened back up. You know, it's just a coincidence. Everybody been saying it. It's just a coincidence that it was around your birthday and anniversary. And as soon as that passed, lockdown again. Listen to the Jamaican people, Mr. Prime Minister. They are hurting. They are hurting. We can find people on the internet expressing and sharing their views. And because it doesn't align with your agenda, they are found just like that. But the murderers and the kidnappers of these children and adults are yet to be found. Listen to the Jamaican people, Mr. Prime Minister. Listen to them, Mr. Prime Minister. Please, I beg of you. They are crying. They are hurting. And I every time I see a video of you speaking about the whole situation that's going on right now, the C word, I don't even want to call that word. When I read the comments, the people are saying that you just seem so casual about it. You don't care about how the measures you're implementing is affecting people's lives. They feel like you don't care. Is that the truth? I don't want to believe that. I don't want to believe that the leader of this great nation don't care about his people. I don't want to believe that. I refuse to believe that, because I believe that this young man that is now a grown man that wanted the best for his people is trying. I still want to believe that. But the Jamaican people are crying. They are weeping. Listen to the Jamaican people, sir. Please. Listen to them. They are speaking. Listen to them. Please. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Negusimara. And this is Negus Speaks. Please to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Yeah, let's grow this family. Let's grow this family. Give thanks for all the support. And we're going to get through this. We are going to get through this. Much love and respect to everyone. To the government officials, Mr. Holness, much love, more prosperity to you, sir, and to the Jamaican people. My name is Negusimara, and this is Negus Speaks. I thank you very much.